Hey everyone, Double P here, and in today's trading session for October 24th, 2022, I attacked PDD, Pinodudu, and it was a fantastic trade. Sent it out to my members. I let this one develop a little bit, and the reason why I wanted to let it develop a little bit was because the sectors were up and down, so I just waited. So let's get into the trade here. So you see that right there. That's my margin account. See right there. If it says partially delayed data, once again, I'll go over it again. Stock is in real time. MX, New York Stock Exchange, NASDAQ, all real time feeds. Equity and equity options is real time. Futures and futures options, I don't trade it. So the feeds are delayed for me, so I don't need it. There's other ways to look at futures on my platform. And then you have Forex is in real time, others in real time. So real time account right there. I'll show it every day, all day long. I don't care. Just people, certain people still ask. I don't know why. It's been 3 years running now, but let's get into the trade. So my guys at Platinum X Power Option Trader Groups, I told them that I was in a little bit of I had my kids I had to deal with today, a lot of stuff with the kids, a lot of appointments and stuff. So I don't think I was going to send out an email, but I think I did get an email out, but it's more so looking at the text alerts. And we also have our watch list for the week as well, which is still in play. So the PDD trade, I send this out. Let's have a look at it here. So this is my coaching recap for my Platinum X Power Option Trader guys and girls, and whoever else is watching this on social after I give it to my members. This is what I told my guys to get. So they bought to open the 28th October 2022, 44 strike puts. You don't need to know what we paid for it. My guys and girls know what they paid for it. Contracts, you don't need to know how many contracts we got. I told them plus 25%, minus 15% on this option trade. Now, this option trade here with PDD sometimes is really difficult to get filled. So let's come over here again, once again. Send this out at 9:51. Like I said, I let the trade develop. Today I was trading on the 2-minute candle. The reason why I was trading on a 2-minute candle is I want to make sure the trade is developing. And then over here, you'll see the 3-day, 2-hour candle that we're on right here. And everything was just a go. So we'll come over here and you'll see the reason why I took the trade the way I did. So here's the 20. You see how it turned here, really harsh. The slope is really steep. Here's the 200. You see how it turned right here and it's sloping down, but the 20 is dominant in this particular fashion. You see the high that PDD hit up there, and it's always a good short when the 20 is over the 200. The 200 crosses negative like that. The 20 crosses negative. You know it's going to be a beautiful trade to the downside. This is an escalator to the downside type of a trade. You see the low right there. So everything was negative here, everything was pointing, let's rock and roll, take a put situation, and you see the amount of pressure that PDD had to deal with. That's a minus 24% loss in one day. It's crazy, right? You see the MACD with prices right there. See the intraday momentum index, all bearish, 100% bearish. This is bearish. The RSI, it's at 27. You know it's a bearish short position trade. This is the only bullish indicator where money flow is sitting there, but it's kind of stagnant, right? So we come over here. So here's where I took my trade, 952. Like I said, I let the trade develop. My guys got it at 951, 950, 951. So right here is when I took my trade, is when I got in, because I had a little bit of difficulty getting filled on this trade here. So you can see right here, this is the inverted hammer. Usually with an inverted hammer, it's kind of a bullish signal, but we didn't get the bullish signal right there. It's just consolidation. So I sat in this trade right there at 952 and just waited for, this is low level consolidation right here. So the stock is just bouncing back and forward. As long as it doesn't hit, you see my price action right here. This is my price action. This is the price levels, resistance, support and resistance levels, walking the stock down. So as long as the stock didn't cross over that level right there, when I entered my trade, you see right there, as long as it didn't cross 43.29, I'm good to go. I'm good to continue to stay in the short position, right? So what did I do? Like I always do, I waited, right? I waited, followed the trade down, walked the stock down, still under the 200 all the way through here. No problems, no issues. That's when I got out, because you see the reversal right here. This is an engulfing Harami, which is bullish. So you see the reversal coming right there. You can also see, count back 3 candles, 1, 2, 3. You see a hammer right there. That's a bullish hammer, right? And you see another inside Harami right here, right? This is also bullish, right? So you see what happened there. That's an engulfing inside Harami, whatever you want to call it. I don't really know the names. I'm not a CMT, like a, you know what I mean, chartered market technician or anything, but I'm pretty good at my candle. So even though I don't know the name, this is what it is, right? This is engulfing. This is bullish, right? And bullish right there. So I'm looking 1, 2, 3 candles back, looking at the action right there. I knew the reversal was coming just based on the 20 was turning yellow, which means a reversal is coming, and you see the green right there. It popped up, and then there's a reversal. I got out on the low, which is what I always do. Either get out on the high, or get out, or get in, or get out on the low. Either or, right? So if you're going to be bullish, then you know what I mean? Wait for the reversal, get in on the absolute low, wait for that bounce. Obviously, look at the play proceeding, see what's happening to make sure there's going to be a bounce, and then get in. If you're getting in, you're going to short on the high, then short on the high, right? So that's the position there. You see it over here in the option chain, the one we took here. This thing exploded in value. This thing just rocked, right? So you're probably curious, what did I make? So here we go right here. Stayed in this trade, 3,450 for me today. This option just exploded in value. So that's it from Double P. Don't copy and steal my stuff. So that was the trade today, PDD. It was a really good trade. Love trading PDD. I trade it all the time. Very volatile stock. It's one of those things where you kind of have to go through it. 162,000 contracts traded today. And you see right here, the stock sizzle index. This is crazy. This is a 6.6 stock sizzle index. That's crazy. This stock was hyper volatile today, right? 6 times the daily sizzle action for this particular stock. So you see right there, the put call value right there. Beautiful position, beautiful trade, beautiful everything. Hope you guys took it. So for those of you that are not in the Platinum X Power Option Traders group, this is what we do. This is what we look at. We can obviously too look at all the option times and sales to see what the big contracts were. So you see right there, big smart money position right there. That was a October 28th leading in, October 28th, 40.5 put, 2,900 shares, or sorry, 2,949 puts. So that's a big smart money position right there. And you see another one right there. So big positions taken on PDD today because there was a lot of tension going on in China. There's a lot going on with the Chinese stocks. They were bearish over the weekend, so it just continued to get bearish because President Zhao is back in again. He's like, that guy rules with an iron fist. So, and that's what investors are scared about. So that's it. That's the trade right there. I'll see you guys next time in the next trading session. This is Double P over and out. Take care, everybody.